All right, folks, we have here the 3 boxes. This is the WHILL Ci2 power chair, the newest power chair out there. So this is the WHILL power chair Ci2. It comes in 3 boxes, as you see right here. So this is my first time opening one up, so bear with me if I mess up a little bit, but let's see if we can do this. Let's open all 3 boxes. So we're going to start with the smaller of the 3 boxes. So you should always have a good blade like this. So we're going to open the box. All right, so we've got the box opened up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this cardboard out, and I'm going to pull this box here, and I'm assuming this is just a hollow box. Yeah, so these are hollow. There's nothing in there. So I'm going to pull this box out too. Now this one is a little bit heavy. This one must have something in it, so we're going to open that up. We're going to open this up, and this one has in here the battery charger, and I'm assuming this is the battery pack. So we're going to put that aside right here, and now we've got what's probably called the base. So I'm going to grab the base. You can see there's a bar here and a bar here. So I'm going to grab the base, put it on the ground over here, and I'm going to check in the box, make sure there's nothing else in this box. So, empty box. So, the box with the base, the only thing in that box was the base and the battery pack and the battery charger. So I'm going to move this box out of the way. Then we're going to go to the second box. In this second box, again, we're going to pull the hollow cardboard out. We're going to pull this cardboard out. I'm going to tell you one thing, folks. This is very well packed. I see a lot of stuff that comes in here, and it's not very well packed at all. Okay? So here we have a basket. In here we have probably what's called the rear of the chair. Okay, again, you have a handle here, so this is easy to pick out. Now this is probably 30-35 pounds. So we're going to put that over here. And we're going to check the box again, make sure we did not leave anything in here. So in this box, again, there was nothing in this box except the base. The rear of the base, the rear part. So we're going to go to the third box. So right now we've got 2 pieces. We've got the, I would say the rear motors, and this is the front end, and we have the basket. So we have two pieces really. All right, this is the last box. Let's see what's in here. So we're going to pull this cardboard out. Okay, here's the seat. So we're going to pull the 4 corners out. There's an additional cardboard here for protection for the seat. And now we've got the seat cushion that's going to come out by itself. And now we've got the seat. So I'm going to grab the seat out of here. Okay. And now we've got the seat. We're going to put the seat right here. We're going to look in this box, make sure there's nothing left. And what do we have left in here? We have the owner's manual, and we have in here probably, sounds like tools. As I said, this is very, very well packed. So you have a smaller manual and you have a toolkit in here. This is to assemble your chair probably. So we're going to leave these out here. And we're going to look inside our box right here, make sure there's nothing left. So there's nothing left. So we're going to take this box and put it aside here. All right, folks, this is what we have. We have the rear base, the heaviest piece. We have the front end. We have the seat. We have the cushion for the seat. And we have the battery pack and the charger here. So the first thing you're going to do, once you have all these pieces on the ground, you should have all these pieces that I just put down, okay? You're going to bring your front end here, okay? Right here, like this. And you're going to raise this up like this, okay? So you're going to raise this part up, okay? And you can see under here, there's a little lip right there where my finger is. You can see my finger. You're going to bring this right here, that first bar, right into that lip, and it's automatically locked. You can see it's locked automatically, okay? Now, you do not put the battery pack in before you have this section on. Now you take your battery pack. You take your battery pack, and you can see the battery pack goes in only one way. You see your connectors here, so you can see your connector, so it goes in this way, and you slide it in. And it locks into place. If you want to take it out, just push the button, it comes out. The reason you don't want the battery pack in first, before you put the rear, it hits the ground, you don't want to damage your battery pack. So you have to put the front end onto the rear end before you put the battery pack in, okay? Now I'm going to face it back this way. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your seat and you're going to drop it right on top of this pole right here. Pull the seat back. Then you're going to take your cushion. Well, before you put the seat on, folks, let's do this. So it's not going to be as hard on you. The seat only weighs about 20, 25 pounds. You have a basket here. So it's very nice. So this basket here, you can see has ridges here on the sides. And you also have Velcros. You can use the Velcros also, but you can also put it in here like this and push it down on the frame. It'll snap. Right now, it's snapped on the frame. You can also use the Velcros in here if you want to tie it to the frame better, but right now it's not going anywhere. Okay, so there's your basket. And then you put your seat on. Put your seat up. Then you have your cushion that comes with your seat. And then I could take the plastic off of here. I'm just going to leave these plastic on. But then you have your power. And you can see the power is on. And the chair moves. There's your power button. And the chair moves. So folks, the only thing left in your box right here is your battery charger and your battery cord that goes at the end of your charger. So folks, this is the WHILL power chair, model number Ci2 power chair demonstration. It comes in 3 boxes. If you follow the instruction I just showed you, it'll be a breeze to put together and you will have a really nice power chair to enjoy. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.